Are you ready, Will? All set. Here she goes.
The Waterloo Boy. This early two-cylinder Model R had a single-speed transmission and pulled a two-bottom plow. John Deere engineers immediately made substantial improvements, and a new Waterloo Boy was soon introduced.
Here is the new John Deere tractor, Model D.
Thousands were sold, and mechanized farming became a reality. The Model D, a name that was soon to be the talk of the country.
So I'd like to take a few moments to tell you about the new John Deere Models A and B tractor. Now, the wheel tread can be fully adjusted for all jobs.
Here were tractors that were adaptable to crops grown in various row widths.
Here they are, modernly styled, clean cut, pleasing in appearance, and better than ever before. John Deere has another new tractor to show you.
You'll agree that it's a good-looking tractor. A tractor anyone would be proud to own.
It's the new Model M.
These quick-touch implements, combined with the touch-o-matic control, provide a new conception of modern farming. Here are tractors that step up earning power on farms of every size and type. John Deere again made tractor history with the introduction of power steering
for quick, easy turns at the end of the field.
You bet power steering makes a difference.
It's almost as easy to handle as your automobile. Really modern equipment.
All new 1010 with 35 horsepower. Well, what do you know?
Power is good. A new generation of power.
Protection from overturns started with an idea pioneered by John Deere and given to the whole industry.
You're going to make life a whole lot easier.
It's called a roll guard. You're a farmer, already up and headed for work while most folks are still sound asleep. Heat, air conditioning, dust filtration, because you're important to us and even more important to your family.
Nothing runs like a Deere.
John Deere riding mower?
Feeling the power of all 18 horses.
John Deere, they're built to last.
Quality and variety of John Deere. Plow the average garden in just 4.5 seconds.
John Deere Research and Engineering Center in Waterloo, Iowa. Bringing you news about new opportunity machines and equipment. Designed specifically to meet farming requirements.
John Deere, a name that was soon to be the talk of the country.
Good work and long life in the toughest conditions.
The one and only tractor.
A tractor anyone would be proud to own.
Will give the farmer everything he wants.
You got one tractor that'll do the whole job.
Strong and long-lasting. Making life easier, happier, and more profitable.
John Deere again made tractor history.
An even more powerful tractor than ever before.
Track-type power with a big future.
Vikings didn't actually have horns on their helmets.
Napoleon wasn't really short.
Ostriches don't really stick their heads in the sand.
A peanut is not a nut.
And a real John Deere is actually real affordable.
You learn something new every day. The surprisingly affordable John Deere E-Series tractors. Nothing runs like a Deere.
Introducing the all-new heated cab for the John Deere 1R tractor. Simply captivating. If we asked you to describe the perfect utility tractor, you might say, I want it to run seamlessly with every key function within arm's distance. You'd want implement hookup in a snap, and the type of maneuverability that can cover just about every inch of property. It needs to run when you need it most, and be intelligent enough to alert you before problems arise. Of course, it has to be as affordable as any machine on the market. Well, what do you know? You just described the all-new 3E series from John Deere, the perfect tractor for you.
A long weekend is just an excuse to get a long way from boring. With models up to 62 horsepower or room for 4. Go rugged. Go big. Go Gator. He doesn't need your help until he does. 3 cylinders, dual overhead cams, and 50 horsepower. Go bold. Go powerful. Go Gator.
Come on in out of the rain, the snow, the burning desert sun. You'll find welcome here. Be warm. Be cool. Unpack. Be comfortable. Be at home on the range. Or anywhere else the day takes you. Well, let me tell you, this is how it works. Load it up. Tie it down. Hold your own. Reach for it. Stow it. Put it over there, or just lay it flat. Standards aren't fads. They don't change on a whim. You either have them or you don't. This is our standard. The term good enough really has no place here. The premium cloth seat and upholstered headliner make this our quietest, most comfortable Gator cab yet. Tractors are our big brothers, really. Just like our tractors, the design is ergonomic, comfortable, and intuitive. The cab is factory sealed against dust, external noise, and all kinds of weather. Perfect for when you kick up dirt off-road any season. The environmental controls are all weather too. Come rain, snow, sleet, hail, baking summer sun, you name it, this cab's HVAC system can neutralize it. The legroom is generous, the bench seat is roomy, comfortable, and adjustable with space for 3. No problem. The dashboard is well laid out with a digital display for easy visibility. Very practical. The glove box is a storage bin. Under seat storage is generous. This is our standard of excellence. Only off-road.
Introducing the 1 Series, the next generation of large square balers from John Deere. With 2 models to choose from, the L331 for 3x3 bales and the L341 for 3x4 bales. The 1 Series balers have been developed, designed, and built by John Deere right here in North America. On the 3x3 balers, the new 2.2 meter mega wide pickup is 10% wider than what is currently available. For the 3x4 machines, the optional 2.5 meter mega wide pickup is 14% wider than the current offering, and tooth to tooth, the widest in the industry. With the optional converging wheels on the 2.2 meter mega wide pickup, you can increase the pickup width by 27% from 2.2 meters to 2.8 meters. That means you could bring in more hay from wider windrows. You minimize crop loss, leaving cleaner fields. Nothing causes more hassles or headaches in hay production than plugs. Here's the solution. Introducing the innovative Baler Assist System. Integrated into the driveline, this revolutionary system helps clear plugs that happen in the rotor or the pickup. With this innovative new option, you turn the PTO off and hydraulically engage Baler Assist from the monitor in the cab. You can reverse the whole system of the baler, spitting the clump out the front, and you've done it all without ever having to climb under the baler. Being able to control Baler Assist with a remote makes performing maintenance and making adjustments a one-person job. You can hydraulically control the machine speed and direction, which makes it easier to set feeder fork timing, check plunger knife and scraper clearance, and slow the machine to observe and troubleshoot the knotters. From dry straw to wet silage, the integrated moisture sensor provides real-time information to help make management decisions. John Deere has combined the integrated moisture sensor with an innovative weighing system that weighs the bale flake by flake in the pre-compression chamber. Innovative design and impressive performance combined with John Deere excellence. Introducing the 1 Series, the future of large square balers.
You stand before an endless stretch of land, filled with promise and anticipation. Take command of your application with 6 simple words. I run, I spray, I conquer. Introducing the new Field General Sprayers, the all-new R4045 from John Deere. With the power of 346 horses, a 1,200-gallon tank, and booms up to 120 feet, you can boldly conquer more acres in less time. This new sprayer has it all. The smartest cab in its class, for example. With more space, comfort, visibility, easy-to-use controls, and technology, the overall ride is one of the best you'll find, thanks to our suspension and leveling systems. It's comfortable, it's smooth and steady, and it's easy to maneuver. At the very heart of this new sprayer lies one of the most productive, precise solution systems anywhere, featuring the all-new, industry-exclusive Solution Command System. Equipped with target fill, loading and rinsing is as easy as pushing a button. And with the optional Load Command System, you can fill the 1,200-gallon tank in only 3 minutes. Or choose the standard side fill or optional 3-inch front fill loading options. Put your productivity into hyperdrive with John Deere Direct Injection, the easier, faster way to mix products. Look at the redesigned flat bowl boom, and you'll see a rock-solid design up to 120 feet, taking whatever your field can dish out. It's far more than brute strength, though. The battle is also won with smart technology. And here you'll see all the latest advances, all fully integrated and linked by wireless data transfer to deliver the most performance and conquer more acres each day. And find out how you can link your fleet and technology with your John Deere dealer to monitor sprayer performance from your laptop or portable device. That's the total John Deere farm site solution. Expand your productivity to 3 seasons by equipping your new sprayer with a new leader dry spinner spreader. You can boost your annual operating return without adding machines. With the new R4045 sprayer from John Deere, you can take the field with bold confidence. I run, I spray, I conquer. Ask your John Deere dealer today for details. Nothing runs like a Deere.
It's go time at John Deere. When the planting windows are short and the days are long, you have to make every moment count to plant for success. John Deere introduces several additional enhancements to boost your productive time from your ExactEmerge or MaxEmerge 5E planters. One is as easy as using your cell phone or mobile device with an advancement we call Mobile Row Unit Runoff. You can make the proper adjustments for each seed variety you plant before going to the field, all enabled through the Planter Plus app. Not only that, Mobile Row Unit Runoff also lets you quickly troubleshoot and resolve any planter row unit performance issues. Through the Planter Plus app, you can easily adjust vacuum pressure levels, saving you valuable time making trips to and from the cab. Now let's look at a different screen. Have you ever wanted to view more than one planter bar chart at once? With SeedStar 4HP monitoring system, now get multiple views and configurations in one simple overview page to fit your preferences. Just set it up to what works best for you, rather than opening several applications. If you need more information on a particular row that may not be performing as well as the others, just touch the bar chart and zoom into that row for detailed information for that specific row. And thanks to our next enhancement called Settings Manager, you can save your planter and tractor settings for each crop, condition, and management practice, and quickly recall them all later. You can use these presets to greatly save time configuring your planter for your conditions. By using Settings Manager, you can set rates, downforce, row cleaners, alarm preferences, as well as your tractor settings. Just set it once, and it's there for next time. And finally, there's now an easy way to fold and unfold your planter right from your monitor. Just enable from the display and operate the fold and hitch functions from one SCV switch. Our new Easy Fold feature automatically takes care of the rest. Perfect for inexperienced operators, too. You'll find all these enhancements in select models of ExactEmerge or MaxEmerge 5E planters, all designed to boost your productivity and help you plant for success. Ask your John Deere dealer for details. That's performance that pays.
"100 years from horse-drawn to horsepower. From hand everything to everything in your hand. From harvesting enough to feed your family to helping feed the world. From innovation to innovation to innovation. We're ready for the next 100 years. Because nothing runs like a Deere.